Ngiyaphetha kwezimnyama.
But Sundays are for lovers, and Mondays are for EBT videos. It's a happy Monday, man. And you know, Mondays are a chance for you to tell me what was your favorite sporting moment of the week. We had a very beautiful week of football, starting from Friday, where Mamelodi Sundowns won their first leg of their CAF Champions League encounter by 3-0 against Stade Malien. We can get other results produced, 2 draws, and we had the Al Ahly being beaten by ES Tunis by 1-0. The most shocking results out of the 4 encounters that we had quarterfinals. We can get as we take it back to South Africa. Orlando Pirates slip up per the title race as they drew against the Siwelele. Mamelodi Sundowns will be looking to take full advantage as they get back to the field on Tuesday. We can get on the other side. Kaizer Chiefs that are having a very huge feud with their fans won their game against Durban City by 1-0. One message that I want to pass out there is that players are never bigger than the club, but the club is never bigger than the fans. We can get, as usual, we have a very special fan of the show. She came forward as City by favorite sporting moment of the week is Wickham Reyners, and yes, he is the moment. We can't get wallet that she had to throw a few jabs because Neyas by hater Yenzi Malena when it comes to Soweto Giants. She said Bangabai. If fans of the Orlando Pirates should stop comparing players of Orlando Pirates to players Mamelodi Sundowns, because the players Mamelodi Sundowns are the standard. They are the benchmark of South African football. Look at Jonga Libalubanga, but when I'm going to tell public comment section about your favorite sporting moment of the week. Man Belega Kulinga Kasha, when it's a veteran and Belega Zona, they Belega Shalandi Layo, come Nandi.